Hey everyone, this is Jose, and I just was watching a video and I just feel the need to respond to it. There's a internet personality, you probably know who it is, I'm not going to drop his name, but I'm tired of hearing him say, don't buy a home, it's a terrible investment, when in fact he owns two homes, not one, two homes, both of them multi-million-dollar homes. Now, for the rest of us that are not billionaires, we buy a home because we want to stop paying rent. We want to have a place that we can be there for decades if we want to. Or in the future, if we have the opportunity to move to another neighborhood, move to another community altogether, we have something of value that we can sell and take that equity with us to put towards the next home. Investing in homes is a good idea. It should be done wisely, but we all have to remember, unless we're sleeping in our cars, unless we're camping on the woods somewhere, we need a place to live. So if you want to start building your personal wealth by buying a home, give me a call, 352-405-1037.